Action!
Kuya David, kamusta na? Alala mo ba yung nangyari dyan sa Gamlong nung pagkatapos ng bagyo, di ba? Ng bagyong Lole? Anong taon nga yun?
That was 1997.
Oo.
November 97, ano? That was November 97.
Di ba, nung una, umulan ng ulan, malakas yung ulan nun.
Of course, because there is a typhoon.
Aha. Tapos, paano nangyari yung di ba nung nandun pa tayo, wala pa nung mga batong nahuhulog doon?
Now, we went from here, from Tanawan, because we have noticed, or we have seen from the TV, that there was a landslide in Talahid, the river of Talahid in Gamlong. So, we immediately returned to our place. Now, when we arrived here in Tagal, in our place, there was no strong wind, but the rain, there was a very heavy rain. Kaya immediately from Tanawan, we immediately proceed to the area where we noticed that there was a landslide.
Pero nung pagdating natin, di ba wala pa naman nung para puro ulan lang, malakas na ulan lang nangyari.
Kuya, little only, but after 3 days, there was now a very, very heavy rain for more than 2 weeks. And that was there was already a landslide, which the flow of the river brings the debris from the mountain to the lowland.
Kaya pala.
So it happened that the Amlong in Inanmasinan was covered by those landslides because of the flood. That was already after the typhoon.
Umaga yun di ba? Paano na kung gabi nangyari di, ang daming namatay dapat doon, di ba? Paano yung mga...
Kaya nga, nangyari yon after the typhoon. After this, when we speak of the typhoon, there was a rain, heavy rain and strong wind. But the landslide occurred after the typhoon already.
Mga ilang bahay kaya yung mga natabunan doon?
I just do not know, siguro around mga 20 siguro.
20. Pati yung plaza, di ba? Pati yung simbahan.
We're not so much concerned about the houses that were covered by the by the landslide. We're not so much concerned of that. Now, our purpose of going there is only to look and witness what we have seen in the television.
Yun niya. Kaya lang, nung pagdating natin doon, di ba, yung mga tao, hindi naman nila alam na mangyayari talaga yun.
Ay, hindi.
Ganyan talaga.
Because little by little, yung for almost 2 weeks, araw-araw naman yun everyday man lang. Hindi for one day only. That happened almost for 2 weeks. More or less 2 weeks.
Kaya hindi nila akalain na magkakaroon ng landslide nung bato, saka mga graba, di ba?
Kagaya din dito, the same as what happened here. How many houses were covered by this debris coming from the mountain? Siguro almost, I do not know because I don't see the record. The barangay, probably the barangay has the record for this. Houses that were covered by the landslide.
Pero sa tingin nyo, kung merong mga nagturo sa kanilang mga gagawin, hindi mangyayari yun.
There was nothing about these things. There was no orientation about disaster. What we call this contingent plan. How will the people be prepared during the disaster? Wala pa.
Pero sa palagay nyo, bakit kaya nagkaroon ng landslide?
Ay,
anong dahilan?
Negligence of the people man sana yan Alam mo, these people are the one destroying the natural resources of our place.
Sa pamamagitan ng ano?
By cutting, most probably, we can accredit this to the Kaingineros. Yung Kaingineros. They're cutting trees there besides the riverbank.
Kasama pa yung mga illegal lagger.
Illegal laggers, illegal cutting, illegal farming. Those are factors that contribute to the landslide of a certain place, especially in terrains like this. That the slope is steep, that is likely always to landslide prone.
Ano sa palagay nyo, mangyari pa kaya ulit yan? Kung sakaling bumagyo na naman?
We cannot predict because only nature can tell what will happen to the next.
Okay.
Is that?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll leave you
Then-
up to that.